What's up everyone, welcome back to Malabar 2 everybody. Safety is number one priority, and today guys I'm going to show you guys 3 magic life hacks what you can do with only this. This is matches guys. Look at this guys, this is all normal matches, nothing about them. Okay guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, life hack number 1 is now what you want to do, you want to put them in like this. You know, so you have it in like there a little bit, and you want to close this up, and now what you want to do, you want to put another match between here. Okay, now and boom, and now you see, and now what you want to do, you want to take another one and you want to light it up. Give me a second here guys. Now, and now you want to wait. Oh my god, it's really windy outside today, and now you want to light them up, and now it will fly away. Boom guys, did you see that? Did you see how I just fly away? Now it's many miles away. Okay guys, let's get to number 2. Okay guys, so for life hack number 2 is what you want to do. You want to put a match in there, and now what you want to do, you want to put a penny right next to here, and now what you want to do, you want to lay this stick right next to this. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to put it all like this. Okay guys, so now what you want to do, you want to light another match, and now you see this might not fly up, but this should like bend up and fly up. Guys, let's get into it. So now I light up a new match. This is not gonna burn up. And so now let me just put it so it will not blow. And so now guys, it will probably, like, you see that? Guys, did you see how it flied up? Did you see how it is flying right now? Guys, can you see that? It does not stay, it doesn't stay to its to the ground. Guys, okay, let's get to number 3. Okay guys, the magic number 3 is what you want to do. You want to put a match to here, and you want to put it like this. And now what you want to do, you want to do like this. You want to like choof. And now you want to hold it, and now what you want to do, you want to put your little thing on there. Give me a second here, like this, and now you want to push it through. Guys, now it's gonna. Okay guys, now let's see if it burns and fly away. Wow guys, did you see how it just burned? Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this awesome match life hack. Guys, thumbs up this video. Let me know what you think in comments below. And guys, see you next time. Bye bye.